La panunutu, na banana, la kamupita mo, banana, baba, banana, potato, banana, tukali no potato,
Ayan, dito kami sa
banana.
matapos Silver City. Ayan. Wait lang ah. May bubati kasi sa
At nandito na kami. Pag-video mo na kami.
Hi, Carl! Happy birthday! Hi, future!
Happy birthday! Hi, best friend! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Karen Del Rosario! Mabuhay! Happy birthday, Karen.
Hello, happy birthday ka. Happy birthday pala Karen.
Happy birthday!
Hi Karen, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Karen.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hindi nakita eh!
Happy birthday.
Yung friend na.
Ang paborito kong apo, si Karen. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita. I love you, Tita. Happy birthday. I love you, Tita Karen. I love you, Tita Karen. Ano po? La panunutu, na banana, la kamupita mo, banana, baba.
Ayan, game.
Yan. Hi Karen. Our birthday. Wish ko sana tumangkat ka. Happy birthday.
Hindi nakita eh!
Happy birthday.
Yung friend na.
Ang paborito kong apo, si Karen. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko, sana huwag kang magbabago, magpakaluma ka na. Kasi 21 ka na, ha? Happy birthday ulit.
Yes! Kuya Maro!
Happy birthday. More birthday to na. Para marami pa ako kakulitan. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Thank you. Happy birthday ulit. Manok pera.
Ayan, nag-video yung isa mong friendship. Ayan. Ay, nahiya naman ako, umitim ako eh. Birthday to Karen! Ayan, galing mo talaga.
Hi, future! Happy birthday! And ingat lagi!
Walang eye to eye?
Bakla, happy birthday! Happy 21st birthday!
Hi Karen, happy birthday. Message ko sa'yo. Enjoy your day. Gusto kang always pray. God is always there for you. Ingat ka palagi. Thank you sa yung din nakilala ko.
Thank you. Game! Yun, di ba? Nag-ibati ko. Mama!
Hi, Carl! Happy birthday! Sana tumagal ka ng birthday mo. Birthday ulit! Hoy!
Ako, hello, ako na ba? Isa nga pala akong anonymous sender na gusto lang maghatid ng pagbati sa'yo. Una sa lahat, happy birthday. Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, Karen. Napapansin ko nga ngayon lumilevel up ka na. Alam mo dati, tingin ko, para ka lang yung patay na bata doon sa classroom natin eh. Pero ngayon, di ba? Lumileveling na eh. Tsaka nga pala, mapunta tayo sa si Karen kasi. Akala mo napakataray niyan. Pero minsan naman, malambing. Tapos, kapag kaibigan ka niya, pag tama ka, pagtatanggol ka, kapag ikaw naman ang mali, hindi ka niya kukonsingkihin. Pagsasabihan ka, hanggat maitama ang mali mong nagawa. Ngayon, alam mo, wala na akong masabi. Ayoko nang purihin ang my birthday. Kasi marami nang gagawa nun para sa akin eh. Basta, ang gusto ko, babatiin na lang kita. Tsaka, mag-wish na lang ako ng good luck sa'yo. Na sa mga, lahat ng gagawin mo, lahat ng naiisipan mong gawin. At ang pinaka-importante, sana, magbunga ang pagiging choosy mo sa lalaki.
Game!
Game. Hi Karen! Happy birthday!
Happy
Ilan taon ka na nga pala? Hindi ko kasi alam eh. Yun nga, sana matupad yung wish mo para sa sarili mo. Ayun nga, yun lang. Ano ba yun?
Game!
Hi, kamusta na? Happy birthday nga pala. Best wishes na yan. Sana maging successful ka pa sa career mo. Alam ko kaya mo lahat na trials na darating sa buhay. Yun lang, happy birthday ulit. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo.
Joven po, happy birthday Karen. Sorry kung hindi mo kita kilala, pero I think nakita na kita. Siguro maybe first day na nakita ka. Happy birthday ulit, sana maligaya ka.
Thank you!
Hello, happy birthday Karen. Happy 21st birthday.
Happy birthday pala Karen. Ito lang masasabi ko sa'yo. Sana ubutin mo yung pagkatrabaho mo. Sana tumaas ka pa sa pagsisikap mo yan. Yan lang. At saka happy birthday.
Hi Karen, I know today is your very special day. How I wish I would be there in person. But even if I'm not there in person, I just want to let you know that in spirit I will always be there for you. The important thing there is that our age is adding, and as our age is adding, so mature we are getting big. So we have ups and downs in life, and I want you to look down to what that brings you back. Look up to those things that brings you up. Everybody has different problems, but don't let your problem drag you down. I just want to tell you this because you're such a beautiful and kind girl, and I just wish to see you much happier in your facial, your body language, in everything you do. I just want to see you loving your parents, loving your family, loving the things you do, the job you do. You're not getting younger. You need to know what every other woman knows. But you just have to be very careful in what, because there are many different boys and different girls today. You just have to be careful, knowing that this will it can break or make you who you want to be. So, in a nutshell, I just want to tell you to be kind. I just want to tell you to enjoy yourself. I just want you to be happy, smile, and always kiss yourself in the mirror and say, "Mwah." God will always love you. And remember this, if you need me, you can call on me. What we have talked before, I just want to tell you that I'm waiting for the right time. The right time does not have to be expanded. Make it short. The people that make quick decisions and right decisions are the one that grows richer and much richer and much happier. Those people that drags out their problems, that drag their thinking, decision making takes too long, those are the people who does not come to time. So I just tell you, come to time, be realistic, tell everybody around you that you love, tell them you love them, tell the people that you don't like or you don't love, I don't really love you but I like you. Let's grow up together, may God bless you. Happy birthday.
Good evening, Karen. Alam ko naman na gabi mo to papanoorin. If ever hindi, sorry. Pati lang ako ng happy birthday. Hindi ako nakapag-contribute ng maganda sa birthday mo nung 18th mo. Pero hopefully, matuwa ka sa mga ideas na shinare ni Ate Leila, na ginawa ko naman. Gumising ako ng 4:30 AM at alam mo kung ano oras ako umuwi. Para lang maibigay sa'yo ang regalong to. Well, not materially, at least nag-effort ako, diba? Happy birthday. Tandaan mo, best friend kita. You're one of the people on my list. Alam mo naman kung ano yun. And no matter what, through ups and downs, thick or thin, ikaw at ako, ayun, magkasama. Hopefully, for the years to come, ganun pa din. I love your family. I love you. Pero dahil birthday mo and month-long celebration itech, pagbibigyan kita sa lahat ng gusto mo. Kahit mauubos yung pasensya ko. I love you, Ep. Happy birthday.
Mo.
Sige. Happy birthday, Tita Karen. Hindi ko birthday to. Hindi mo birthday to.
Ingat lagi.
Love you, Ep. Happy birthday.
Hi, best friend! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Banana.